are now tuned into Your Title Tight, a Les Coteaux production on the Tobago Heritage Network.
I'm not taking him back. I'm not taking him back this time. If it's all this kind of still be embarrassment I have to face every time he disappears, then I don't want him. I don't want him.
I love this. Like you sleep in the doghouse or you wet so? Pet, how much time I had to ask you to get up early and make a little breakfast or something, girl? Watch. I get up and the only thing I could find to drink is a beer. Man's stomach got full of gas by noon. It's only... Petlyn, I was listening to that,
What kind of man you is, eh? What kind of man does sneak out in the night, play battle around Les Coteaux, then sleep in after 6 in the morning, eh? You're not shame?
Shame for a girl?
Hush your stupid mouth a talking. Look you, sit down in my living room, bareback, with a beer in your hand this hour of the morning. You don't spend $1 in here, but you're always making demands. I had enough of you.
What are you talking about, girl?
Why talking about? Why talking about?
Oh, you gonna throw me beer outside, girl?
You ain't know what I talking about, eh? What you was? It suck you just suck your teeth, eh?
Listen, mother.
No, you listen, madman. Cause you have to be a madman to think I go keep taking your sad stories. I asking you one more time, where you was last night?
Petlyn, it's one pitney you have. She named Afia. I don't ask you where you was. So don't ask me my blessed business.
Long John Sweetwater. I asking you one more time, where you was?
I say, don't ask me where I was, Petlyn.
You think it's joke I'm making, eh? All right. Well, if you think it's joke I'm making, all right, good.
Girl, what you doing? Let go my clothes. You throwing my clothes outside like dog. Watch out.
Not me.
Give me my grip. Give me my grip.
Mommy!
No more.
Daddy, stop! What going on? Mommy's after 7 in the morning. Look, people watching all here. Why you only getting on so?
Ask your
Mommy,
father.
stop kicking the clothes around.
I'm not done with
Look,
you.
Mr. Hollis on the balcony watching you.
Mr. Hollis could kiss my... Look.
Ask your mother. Why every time I go missing from my eyesight, I just have to face this man I ridiculed?
Mommy, why you getting on so? And why your clothes all wet down?
I wake up before this morning, and your nasty father was nowhere to be found. His shoes was missing, his toothbrush did wet, and the money I leave on the table for the light bill say, if you see me, take me. I is a puppy show for Long John, eh? You gonna see something here today.
Mommy,
You gonna see.
Stop, please, nah. Let me go inside. Daddy, just tell Mommy where you was so we could go back inside now, please.
Afia, I is a big man and not a no mama bush thing with your mother.
Daddy, please, nah. Where you was this morning?
Girl, the mosquito around this place been a bother. I say, let me wake up early and get started with some bush cutting. When I reach out in the back, I notice my brush cutter had no brush. So I decide to clear it with my bare hands. When Pet wake up and then see me, it's cause I was low in the grasses, trying to get them out from the root. I trying to beautificate the place, and it's all this embarrassment I had to face. Come now, man.
Oh, gosh, Daddy.
Sure? Oh gosh, baby. I didn't mean to get on so. It's true? You really cleared the grass by hand? Baby, I'm sorry. It's just that I'm a little frustrated but not seeing you when I wake up. I'm sorry. Baby, you want the breakfast still? You know that your woman I mean to embarrass you. Let me make it up to you now.
No thanks, Petlyn. You throw me out, it's out I go.
Oh, but I say I'm sorry. Stay now. I'm going to make it up to you.
Oh, God, Daddy.
Afia, let this be a lesson that all action have consequences. This is the last time Petlyn throwing my clothes outside and not homeless.
But you're homeless, we? So where you gonna go?
You know exactly where I will go.
Well, I passed there this morning, and before you say I did go there to make bacchanal, I didn't go there to make no trouble, eh? I was just passing, and you won't believe what I see.
What you see?
It's not what I see, it's who I see. A man coming out of Pearl house with a bowl of food. Bring the bag inside now. I'm going to make the breakfast.
Nah, I'll leave in.
What? Long John, please, don't leave now, please. I say I'm sorry. I would never ask you where you was again. Please, please. I'm going besides. I'm pregnant.
This episode is brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited, sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly and Republic Bank Limited.